Welcome to Comprehensive Code YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving leetcode 131, palindrome partitioning. Before we even move forward, I would like to ask one thing. Please do subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow a lot. I want to grow. With that, let's start reading the question. Given a string S, partition S such that every substring of the partition is a palindrome. Return all possible palindrome partitioning of S. Let's take this as an example. So if we take this as an example, we can either partition from here, right? Let's start partitioning from there. We'll get A and AB. So are all of these palindromes? No. So we don't include that in answer. Let's start partitioning from there and here. And the answer is A, B, C. Are all of these palindromes? Yes. So we'll include that in the answer, okay? And then we did palindrome partitioning from there, and let's partition from here. It will be the AA and B, okay? So is this a palindrome? Are all of these containing palindromes? Yes, okay. Now, again, another one could be simply this one, right? AAB. Is this a palindrome? No. How do we check the palindrome? We check like if the first and last character are equal. If they are, we just move inwards to check like if every character on the right and left are equal, okay? That's how we check the palindrome. So in this case, the answer would be A, B, C, and then we have AA and then B, okay? That will be our answer. Or let's think how we can solve this. One way I can think of solving this is using backtracking. Let's see how we can do that. All right, so let's take this. We have A, B, right? Okay, so what could be the partitions at the beginning? We have three choices, right? Partition from there, or there. If you partition from here, it will be A, and then this will be AA, right? A and A, and then this will be A, and then B, right? Okay, so now is this a palindrome? Yes, it is a palindrome. So we can move forward. Okay, so if we move forward, what we can do is, if we can partition from here, like we can take this one, right? A, and then if we partition from here, like it is AB, right? AB, okay, and there is AB. And on here, since we already took this one, we have only this remaining, B, right? Okay, and what about this one? Since this is not a palindrome because these characters are not equal, so we don't continue on this path, okay? Also, in this path, this is not a palindrome, AB. That's why we don't continue on this path, okay? And what about this path? This path contains both of these are palindromes, and we reach the end of the string. So this is one possible answer, okay? And what about this one? We already took these two, and now we are remaining with this one. So we continue that, and we have B here, okay? And see here, this one, and this one, A, B. Every of these characters are palindromes. So that's why we can add this to the answer and this one to the answer, okay? Let's talk about the time complexity. Since we are branching it for every characters in the string, so there are two possibilities for each of them. So that's why the answer is the time complexity is 2 power n, okay? And similarly, the space complexity will also be 2 power n, okay? With that, let's start writing the code. First thing first, we define a result that will store the result for us, okay? And then we define explore method, which will basically do a depth first search backtracking. And we'll take index and then the current. So the current will hold the current palindromes, okay? Now, if index is greater than or equal to length of string, also let's define this as a variable so that it will be easier for us to access this length of as, okay? And that is length of yes, okay, cool. If that is the case, we just result.append current.copy, okay? Cool. Now, after that, we're saying like we'll iterate from I in range index to the length of string, and the substring is s, and then it will be from index to I plus 1, right? If the substring is equal to substring reversed, so basically we are checking like if it is a palindrome or not, right? And then if there is a palindrome, then we can append this substring to our current, and then we explore all the remaining, okay, I plus 1, and then pass in the current, and we just on explore or pop that element from our current. And then at last we just call this explore from the beginning of the string, and then we pass empty result, and we just return the result, okay? With that, let's run the code, and it passed 2 cases. Let's submit this code. As you can see, it is pretty efficient. If you find this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. It will help me grow a lot, and I'll bring more videos in future. Thank you for watching this, and hope we'll meet soon.